for a snack, which I normally don't have, but on Sundays we eat a really late lunch, like at 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I am having a banana that is sliced up, and then I sprinkled a little bit of sugar on it. I am also having a 1-point cheese stick here. Let me see if I can get this on here. So that is 1 point. So my snack is 1 point. For breakfast, you saw I had frosted mini wheats. That was 7 points, and I had about 3 ounces of 2% milk with that, and that was 1 point. So it was 8 points. And I think for lunch today we're having meatloaf, and Jerry usually does it. It's called Mile High meatloaf, and basically it's our meatloaf recipe that he puts into a muffin pan. But we're supposed to get rain this afternoon, and it is starting to look like it outside. It's getting dark. This is where Sandy from Life with Sandy would say it's almost her perfect day, because it's getting to the point I'm going to have to turn a light on. So if I do, it will be in for Miss Sandy. And then Miss Cali is down here keeping me company. And Mr. Jerry's out in his work area, and he is making me 3 frames for my cross stitches. My 3 cross stitch patterns. What you looking at, Callie? So anyways, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to enjoy my snack, and I hope your Sunday is a great one. Alright, lunch today is a huge lunch, only because of the cornbread and the butter. So this whole plate is 23 points for me. I have almost a cup of mashed potatoes here for 5 points. I have a cup of corn over it because I like eating my corn on my potatoes. That is 0 points. This is the Mile High meatloaf that's done in the muffin pan, and this is 5 points for 2. The Jiffy cornbread for 1 muffin is 7 points. And then I have a total of 6 points for butter that is on the potatoes and corn and the muffin. So really it is 6 points for butter and then 7 points for the muffin. That will kick it right up. But it is what it is. So 23 points for lunch. So this is what happens when it's going to thunder and storm out. Callie does not like storms. So now she's underneath Jerry's recliner, and she's hiding. It's okay. It's okay. I know you heard that one.